Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best 4K drone in 2026 for aerial photography, travel videos, or professional footage, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best 4K drones based on camera quality, flight performance, features, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So let's get started. Number 1. Holystone HS710, Best Overall. The Holystone HS710 features a 4K camera, GPS positioning, optical flow technology, brushless motors, and advanced flight modes like auto return and follow me. This drone offers the best balance between price, performance, and stability. It's extremely easy to control, provides stable footage, and delivers reliable flight performance. Perfect for beginners upgrading to a more capable drone. Pros: excellent flight stability, reliable GPS and optical flow positioning, easy to fly, durable build quality, great value for money. Cons: no mechanical gimbal, camera quality not fully professional. The best overall 4K drone for most users in 2026. Number 2. G11 Pro Professional Drone. The G11 Pro features a 3-axis brushless gimbal, 4K at 30 frames per second, up to 70 minutes of flight time, and 10,000 feet transmission range. This drone delivers highly stable cinematic footage thanks to its mechanical gimbal. The long range and extended flight time make it ideal for serious content creators and professionals. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stabilization, very long flight time, professional video quality, long control range, strong wind resistance. Cons: slightly less beginner-friendly. A powerful drone for professionals and serious aerial photography. Number 3. Holystone HS720E. The Holystone HS720E features 4K at 30 frames per second recording, electronic image stabilization, GPS positioning, and a wide 130-degree field of view camera with up to 46 minutes of flight time. One of the most reliable mid-range drones available. It produces smooth footage, offers stable flight performance, and has strong build quality. Pros: smooth, stabilized 4K footage, strong build quality, reliable GPS performance, wide-angle camera, beginner-friendly. Cons: no mechanical gimbal, average wind resistance. A great mid-range drone offering excellent value. Number 4. Foldable 4K GPS drone with Follow Me. This foldable GPS drone offers 4K recording, FPV live video, auto return, and follow me tracking. It includes 2 batteries and weighs under 249 grams. A great choice for travel vlogging and outdoor use. It's portable, beginner-friendly, and offers useful smart features. Pros: affordable price, follow me tracking, foldable and portable, easy controls, good battery life. Cons: basic camera stabilization, limited range. A solid budget 4K drone with useful smart features. Number 5. Ameta S20 4K GPS Drone. The Ameta S20 is a beginner-friendly drone with a 4K UHD camera, brushless motor, altitude hold, and 50 minutes of flight time. It weighs under 249 grams. Great for beginners wanting stable flight and simple controls. It's lightweight, easy to fly, and good for casual content creation. Pros: 4K UHD camera, long flight time, GPS smart features, lightweight design, beginner-friendly. Cons: limited advanced camera controls, not ideal for strong wind. A good entry-level drone for new users. And that's our list of the top 5 best 4K drones in 2026. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first drone or a professional wanting high-quality aerial footage, there's a perfect option here for you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Let me know in the comments which drone is your favorite or which one you plan to buy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.